Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on ULEFONE Armor X12. So, first things first, check the volume during a call. You can, with the side buttons, volume up and volume down, but during a call. Next, go into the settings. Here, navigate to sounds and vibration and call volume. Just adjust the volume. Next, disable Bluetooth to roll out connected device. You can do that by scrolling from the top to quick settings and clicking on the Bluetooth. As you can see, I have it disabled. Next, test with another call and app like a WhatsApp or just call to other person. And restart your phone. Click and hold the power on button and restart right here. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.